the Kitty Cat Snack Shack. Fast food for famished felines.
It's a nice place you got here.
A little bijou perhaps, but I think of it as home. Now, let me see. Casserole of duck with chestnuts, duck with cherry, duck and pineapples, duck pancakes with plum sauce. Oh, here we are. Duck à l'orange.
What are we having?
Oh, I'm having you for lunch.
Oh, I know that. I mean, what are we going to eat?
Oh, I'll whip something up. A surprise.
My mother must have been thinking of someone else. She told me, beware of the cat.
Bless her. Mothers are all the same. For some reason, they seem to think it's part of their job description to stop us from having fun. Not my mother, though. Oh, no. She was different. Do you know what she used to say to me? You can scratch the antique furniture to sharpen up your claws. You can lacerate the cushions if you're ever stuck indoors. You can dig up all the flowers from the freshly planted beds. And with articles of clothing, it's okay to pull some breath. But I remember as a kindergarten kitten, one phrase that left me singularly smitten. You can play with your food before you eat it. You can jimmy your chow before you chew. You can play with your food, you can't eat it. So donkey, let me play with you. You can play with your food before you bite it. You can toy with your tongue before you crunch. You can play with your food while fighting. It's a crazy little game called love. So tell me, donkey, what would you like to play? It can be anything. I won't tell your mother.
Anything. Well, I'd like to paddle in the puddles, step in the mud, take a single dance in the shallows. Maybe if it's time to go sliding inside to the marsh where we find marshmallows. I'll go and slay a dragonfly, watch water boatmen race. To say that cats are dangerous is clearly not the case.
Oh! I'd rather play a game that's sharp and witty, but preferably with something in the kitty. You can play with your food before you dip out. You can dance with your joint before you slice. You can play with your food, but don't dribble. My mama gave the best advice. You can play with your food before you pop it. You can dance with your meal before you munch. You can play with your food and pop it. It's a crazy little game called lunch.
We could go rushing down the rushes, dashing down the ditch, find a kind of place where it's boggy. Then make a little catbird sing it down for me and my name the Moggy. And if the other ducklings want to come and join our games, they have to make a promise first to stop.